honor, Dr. Joshi, special guest of honor, Shri Biduri sir, and all the guests here today to the 26th convocation at NDIM.
गवर्नमेंट के चेयरमैन श्री BM बंसल साहब का मैं 26th एनुअल कन्वोकेशन में आमंत्रित किया और जब मुझे उन्होंने ये बताया कि लोकसभा के ऑनरेबल स्पीकर परम श्रद्धेय ओम बिरला जी इस कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित रहेंगे तो मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं था, क्योंकि मैं इस एरिया को पार्लियामेंट में रिप्रेजेंट करता हूं।
Who topped the batch of 21-23, the entire institute. The bronze medalist is Aina Sidana, working with Big Step Technologies. Congratulations. May we have a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. You may please be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now begin with the Business Excellence Awards. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce 10 top achievers of Business Excellence and Innovative Best Practices Academy Awards 2024. Every year, we recognize and award distinguished professionals for their innovative best practices, their outstanding contribution to specific activities, and for such efforts which add to India's national and international image. And all of you would love to meet these great achievers, picked up by our faculty and students. These 10 leaders in different walks of life have silently and steadily strengthened the foundations of our great country. To present the awards, I request the distinguished guests. It is my pleasure to introduce the first recipient of the award, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, a distinguished scientist and intellectual who embodies the spirit of excellence and innovation. Dr. Ranganathan's academic journey is a testament to his exceptional abilities. After completing his undergraduate studies at St. Stephen's College, Delhi, he pursued advanced degrees at the prestigious University of Cambridge, UK. His research contributions in the fields of directed evolution and pathogenesis, particularly focusing on tuberculosis and malaria, have significantly impacted the scientific community. The next recipient of the award is Mr. Daljit Singh, Director, Center for Management Services and IT. With over 28 years of experience in management, Mr. Daljit Singh has established himself as a seasoned professional. He has held key leadership roles at RPG Rico, Moody Xerox, and Merit-Track Services, demonstrating his expertise in sales operations, business development, and client management. Sir, may I request you to come and speak?
respected sirs and the team at NDIM. It's actually a honor and pride to be associated and being getting or recognized for this award. Very shortly, I would like to tell, of course, like NDIM, I have a very sweet memories of about 20 years when I probably started my career. And then we used to recruit some of the team members of the management trainings from NDIM. I was at Standard Chartered Bank at that point of time. Some of those colleagues with which we were working, I guess you can very well make out a fact like we are still in touch, and that was the kind of professionalism which we had from the students. Not only they were strong as far as their technical things were concerned, but I think something which I liked the most was the softer skills and various other elements which are required in day-to-day management. And I guess I think NDIM carries that legacy for that many years, and wishing all the students who are getting into the professional management now the best of the times there. Thank you.
चलो कन्वोकेशन हुआ खत्म, और यहाँ का कन्वोकेशन का भी अलग एक्सपीरियंस था, अच्छे से हो गया, बढ़िया था।
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell